Hi, I'm Johenjen, the service manager for Northtown Lexus, and I just want to take a few minutes today to talk to you about protecting your vehicle after your basic warranty has expired. The Lexus cars all come with a 4-year, 50,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty, as well as a 6-year, 70,000-mile powertrain warranty. But when that's over, what do? Cars can still break, they're still machines. A Lexus is a fantastic product, but they do have issues as they get older. We offer a multitude of different packages for warranties to help protect you and your car once the warranty from the factory expires. We can go all the way up to 10 years or 150,000 miles to keep you protected. Some things that could be protected are your alternator goes bad or you need a brake caliper. These are all things that can just be expensive, and we don't want to have to do that to you. So with all of the electronics on these new vehicles, we just want to make sure you're protected. All of the parts are manufactured from multiple places all over the world, and we just want to make sure that if you have an issue, we're here for you. With the ever-increasing cost of parts and labor, getting a service contract sooner than later is in your best interest. I also want to talk to you about the Service Connect alert system from Lexus. So if your car registers an issue, it will contact Northtown Lexus and let you know that there's something going on. And then we're going to reach out to let you know that we're here for you. Whether it be a check engine light, washer fluid is too low, your car is just due for maintenance. We're going to know about it, and we're going to be here to help you. I'm Johenjen. I'm the service manager from Northtown Lexus, and I'm here to let you know that the service department is open 6 days a week from 7:30 in the morning until 9 o'clock at night for all of your service needs. We appreciate your business and look forward to helping you soon.
I'm Jeff Martin. Today I want to take a couple of moments to talk to you about Lexus's L-certified pre-owned vehicle program. Back in 1990, when Lexus started selling vehicles, they came up with one of the most comprehensive pre-owned certified plans in the industry, and I want to tell you about it. Not all Lexus pre-owned vehicles are able to be certified. We have to pick vehicles that are 6 model years or newer, which means right now a 2020 model year vehicle or newer would work, as well as vehicles that have under 80,000 miles on them. Also, not all vehicles can be certified for this reason. Lexus is very particular as to which vehicles they allow Lexus dealerships to certify. If the vehicle has been in any type of major accident or more than 2 panels on the vehicle have been painted, we cannot certify the vehicle. What Lexus basically has us do is when the vehicle comes in, we have our service technicians complete a 161-point checklist. And I've actually got the actual checklist right here to kind of show you some of the details of how it works. It's literally about 7 or 8 pages. This is about a 2.5-hour job for our technicians. They will go through and check all aspects of the exterior, the interior of the vehicle, and literally check it as they go. And if anything doesn't pass, we need to either repair it or we can't certify the vehicle. Some of the items in particular I like to just talk about, just to show you how particular Lexus is with this certification program. There is literally a whole section here on proper floor mat installation. Everything needs to be as close to perfect as we can get it. 2 other areas here that I like to always talk about when we're talking about Lexus certification: the tires and the brakes. These are 2 of the most important maintenance items on any vehicle. In order for one of our vehicles to become Lexus certified, the tires on the vehicle have to have minimum 5/30 seconds of tread. When you purchase a brand new tire, tread on brand new tires definitely runs between roughly 10-30 seconds of tread up to 12-30 seconds of tread. Lexus's guideline is that it needs to be at least 5/30 seconds, which is about half of the tread life. If the tread is below 5/30 seconds, we will replace the tires. We'll put 4 brand new matching tires on the vehicle. The other item that's very important is the brakes. The brakes, in order to pass Lexus inspection for certification, have to be a minimum of 5 millimeters. Brand new brakes on a car are approximately 10 millimeters. You need to have at least 50% of the brake life left on this, otherwise we replace them. One of the other wonderful parts of the L-certified program is the 4 maintenances that you get at no extra cost when you purchase an L-certified vehicle. It works like this. If a vehicle is traded in and let's say it has 27 or 28,000 miles on it, the dealership will automatically do the next scheduled maintenance. We will do the 30,000 mile maintenance now, so that when you buy the car, you're kind of starting at 0. Over the course of the next 2 years of ownership, the next 4 scheduled maintenances are all included at no charge. Lexus recommends that you service your Lexus every 6 months or every 5,000 miles. So literally, the next 4 times you come in, whatever factory maintenance is required, Lexus dealer will take care of it at no charge to you. And finally, one of the other bonus perks that you get when you purchase an L-certified vehicle is the ability for us to give you a Lexus loaner vehicle with all your scheduled maintenance. This is big. This is, as long as you own this vehicle, we will give you this perk. The way that certified warranty works is we will look up the date of first use for your Lexus. So here's a simple example. If a Lexus comes in and it's a 2025 and it's been on the road for 2 years, what Lexus will do is they will give you full Lexus certified warranty up to 6 years from the in-service date with an unlimited amount of mileage. You purchase a vehicle that's been on the road for 2 years, you're gonna have 4 years from the day you buy it with no mileage limit of full certified warranty. This is actually longer warranty than if you were to purchase a new vehicle. New Lexus vehicles give you warranty 4 years up to 50,000 miles. So for our guests who drive a lot of miles, if you drive 15, 20,000 miles per year, you will hit the time before you hit the mileage. Tremendous value. Also included is Lexus roadside assistance. This is included for the whole life of the up to 6 years when you purchase the vehicle. You could be traveling anywhere in the US. If you have any type of issue, you get a flat tire, you run out of gas, the car breaks down, a simple phone call to 1-800-25-LEXUS will send help to you. They will take care of you. They will tow you to the nearest dealership. They'll help you in any way they can to get you back on the road.